Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Grok 4 without paying SuperGrok subscription. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Arena AI. Since LMarena is now known as Arena, click on the official website from the results to access the platform. Once you're on the homepage, look for the battle or chat section and click on it. This will take you to the interface where you can interact with different AI models. Next, find and select the direct chat option to start a conversation. Now, choose a model. In the model selection area, search for Grok and select the Grok 4.1 model. This ensures you're using the latest available version without needing a SuperGrok subscription. After selecting the model, enter a simple prompt in the text box, such as asking what model it is, then click Submit. The response confirms you are successfully using Grok 4.1 for free. So that's basically how you can use Grok 4 without paying SuperGrok subscription. That's it for this video. Thanks.